Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus on a third, 1/3. A third is the fraction that never terminates as a decimal, 0.333 recurring forever. It's the factor in every cone and pyramid volume formula on the syllabus, and it's the start of one of the most famous head scratchers in maths, the proof that 0.9 recurring equals exactly 1. Quick identity check. A third is positive. A third is rational. A clean fraction of two integers. As a decimal, it's 0.333 with 3 the recurring forever. And as a percentage, it's about 33.3%. 3/3 makes a whole. 2/3 plus 1/3 equals 1. Simple as a state, but the decimal is anything but tidy. Multiples of a third. A third, 2/3, 1, 1 1/3, 1 2/3, 2. Every third multiple lands on an integer. The ones in between, 1/3 and 2/3, are recurring decimals, which is what makes the third tricky for calculator answers. Keep it as a fraction whenever you can. 0.33 is an approximation. 1/3 is exact. Powers of a third. Third to the 1 is a third. A third squared is a ninth. Third cubed is 1/27. Third to the fourth is 1/81. Third to the fifth is 1/243. The denominators are powers of 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, and every single one is a recurring decimal. Symbolic form always beats decimal form when working with thirds. The proof that 0.9 recurring equals 1 exactly. Well, let x equal 0.99999 recurring forever. Then 10x equals 9.99999 recurring forever. Subtract the first from the second, 9x equals 9, so x equals 1. That means 0.9 recurring is exactly 1. Not approximately, not nearly, but exactly. The same trick converts any recurring decimal into a fraction. Key relationships. A third equals 0.333 recurring, which is 33.3%. A third plus 2/3 equals 1. A third times 3 equals 1. A third squared is 1/9. 1 divided by a third equals 3. Dividing by a third triples you. And any recurring decimal like 0.333 represents an exact fraction, so convert it back. Where a third actually shows up in your exam, the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times base area times height. Recurring decimal to fraction questions, 0.333 recurring converts to 1/3. Probability with 3 outcomes, and geometric sequences with ratio 1/3 converge to a finite limit. The third is the workhorse of 3-dimensional geometry. Where a third hides, every cone or pyramid volume formula, the simplest recurring decimal, 0.333, the famous head scratcher, 0.6 recurring equals 2/3, 0.9 recurring equals 1, 2/3 plus 1/3 equals 1 in every form. And in indices, any fraction with denominator 3, when raised to a power, keeps that denominator of 3 texture all the way down. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slit flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.